Hello, everyone. My name is Gabriela Pastoshenko. I'm here to talk a little bit about myself and the evaluation from Strength Finder results. So, a little bit about my background. I'm from Brazil. I arrived here in US in 2004 with the goal to learn a new language and to study engineering. So that's what I did. I graduated a bachelor in engineering. I have worked both Brazil and US, different corporations. At this point, I work for Medtronic, which is the largest medical device in the world, and the business unit is diabetes. And I work here in California, which has a beautiful weather. It's so nice in here. I really enjoy. So basically what I do is new product development. So for all new products, type 1, type 2 diabetes, I go through the whole process from feasibility, designing, testing, clinical studies. We do all the documentation that's needed for submission, FDA, US, OUS. So basically I have to review and approve and have a core team which is has marketing, has functional from every angle. So we looked at every aspect of the product when developing a new product. So it's really good. A little bit now about strength finder results. One of them, my top five is relator, deliberative, responsibility, focus, and learner. So the relator, I agree with the results. I always work with the very complex and difficult ideas, and I can read them, understand, and the way I explain makes it so easy for everyone to understand. So people now tend to come to me to ask my opinion, what I think about certain things, or suggestion, or even knowledge, because they know I will explain very clearly, and I will so they can understand. So basically that's one of the characteristics. And another one is I can read body language when we have meetings, some difficult arises, or people having communication issues. I really try to help, and I can see those things, and I'll do my best to make sure everything flows the way it should be, and go to the results, and agree with the discussion. At the end of discussion, we kind of agree with the final result. So per se, this is one. Deliberative, yeah, it talks about very serious, and when making decision and choices, I can anticipate obstacles. That's fine because I'm very detailed and I can see those things. I really look through details and make sure we go through every potential possible aspect, especially product. When you work with healthcare, you make sure the product it's safe to be used, and there is no issues. So something I think that's helpful on my field right now to have this strength. It really helps. Responsibility is just a psychological ownership about all the tasks and things that I have to do, and I make sure they're done well. I agree with this result as well, and that's something I always had my whole life, so I do agree with that. Focus, yes, focus. I have to uh, like I mentioned, meetings, when we have discussions, sometimes it goes on the tangent. The conversation starts at some point and ends somewhere else. And I have to make sure that people and the team members are on focus, are on task, and that we don't deviate from it. And even if there is no answer, we'll try to find ways to get answers. So I'm really focused on that. So my focus kind of brings the team together, and I think that's very helpful for what I do today. A learner, yes, I like to learn and keep learning, and like challenge. I like trying to do different things. um yes, so this is definitely me. So it's just like the learner, they like to learn like how deep, the how and the whys, and how things get shaped, and truly understand, not just like a surface, but have a deep understanding about everything. So yeah, so those are my results. I do agree with those. I don't know if I got them based on the experience I have like professionally, if I have them on me. I know focus and learner, most of these things I do carry with me. So, and they're beneficial at my workplace and the current position that I have. It really helps me to deliver. So yeah, anyway, I hope you like my video, and leave your comments. Thank you so much. Bye bye.